Bordered by the colorful Wasatch Mountains to the east and the Great Salt Lake to the west, northern Utah's Hill Air Force Base plays a key role in our nation's defense. The base, part of the Air Force Material Command's Sustainment Center, employs more than 26,000 military, civilian, and contractor personnel. The 75th Air Base Wing serves as the installation's host unit, employing more than 2,300 active duty and civilian airmen organized in 3 groups: a Communications and Information Directorate, and several wing staff agencies. The 75th Mission Support Group, consisting of 4 distinct squadrons that defend the installation, sustain and enable logistics and combat readiness, store, maintain, and deploy critical munitions worldwide via the Standardized Air Munitions Package, and provide morale, welfare, and recreation, as well as an administrative and family support services. They make up one team providing world-class installation and mission support to Team Hill and its airmen and families every day. The 75th Civil Engineer Group consists of 2 squadrons providing infrastructure and facilities operations, environmental services, fire protection and emergency response, disaster preparedness, housing and dormitory management, explosive ordnance disposal, and energy oversight for Hill Air Force Base. Additionally, the Civil Engineer Group is responsible for base support for the Utah Test and Training Range, America's 3rd largest range, and a national asset. The Communications and Information Directorate provides cyber capability and innovative solutions to enable and enhance Team Hill's mission through secure, reliable, and cost-effective information technology and services. They deliver superior communications and IT support enabled by regular system repair and enhancements, real-time network surveillance, and threat mitigation. The 75th Medical Group enables readiness by providing primary care and specialty services for military service members, ensures environmental and occupational safety for Team Hill, while also supporting the healthcare needs of Air Force civilians and dependents and Department of Defense retirees. The 75th Air Base Wing staff delivers critical installation-wide chapel, finance, legal, public affairs, and resiliency support services, as well as an integration office executing oversight for Strategic Arms Reduction Treaty Monitoring Program and the U.S. Navy's Submarine-Launched Ballistic Missile Destruction Initiative. As Hill Air Force Base's installation host, the 75th Air Base Wing supports the Ogden Air Logistics Complex, the Intercontinental Ballistic Missile System Directorate, 2 fighter wings, multiple Air Force Material Command Program offices, the 309th Software Engineering Group, and over 50 other mission partners. The Ogden Air Logistics Complex is the largest organization on Hill Air Force Base, providing logistics and maintenance support for our nation's premier fighters, including the F-35 Lightning II, F-22 Raptor, F-16 Fighting Falcon, and the A-10 Thunderbolt II. Additionally, the complex maintains the C-130 Hercules and T-38 Talon and provides component sustainment for 27 other actively flying and proven weapon systems. The men and women of the Intercontinental Ballistic Missile System Directorate are responsible for the acquisition, modernization, and sustainment of the Minuteman III weapon system, as well as the acquisition and development of our nation's newest ICBM, the Sentinel weapon system. The 388th Fighter Wing is an air combat command unit flying and maintaining the Air Force's F-35 Lightning II. They deliver game-changing combat capability, serving as America's 911 Air Dominance Global Response Force. The 388th also coordinates and executes Utah Test and Training Range operations across a 1 million-acre land space in Utah's West Desert. The UTR provides training capabilities for combat air forces and the test and evaluation of new and existing Department of Defense aircraft and weapons. Active duty pilots, maintainers, and support personnel work side by side with the 388th Fighter Wing in a total force partnership with the only Air Force Reserve Wing in Utah, the 419th Fighter Wing. The 419th provides F-35 combat capability to complement the 388th, while also maintaining a robust full-spectrum mission support role. Through various Air Force Material Command Program offices, military, civilian, and contractor personnel provide cradle-to-grave engineering, logistics support, and sustainment for air-delivered weapons, early warning radar systems, and aircraft including the A-10, F-16, F-22, and F-35. The 309th Software Engineering Group develops and delivers warfighter capability via weapons system software. They push the boundaries of software development to support broader modernization efforts and keep the Air Force's aircraft weapons systems lethal and survivable. Side by side with our mission partners, the 75th Air Base Wing plays a critical role in our nation's defense by generating and enabling readiness. We are the 75th Air Base Wing. Count on us.